Every day we come across hundreds of logos. How many of them actually stick to your memory? Well, at one glance at those famous logos, you can instantly tell which brands they are. That's the power of a memorable logo. A logo isn't just a design, it's the identity of a business. However, designing a logo that perfectly aligns with your brand isn't easy. You might have to hire a professional designer for thousands of dollars to get a good logo. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo like this. We'll design an impressive, unforgettable logo using simple techniques that'll save both time and money. Just follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have a logo that looks like you paid thousands of dollars for it. I'm going to show you two different methods using which you can make a logo. The first method is by using an AI tool to create our logo. So let's see how to create a logo using an AI tool called GravityWrite. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to the logo builder tool of GravityWrite. As you can see, we've got different styles of logo here. We can generate logos like these by simply using their ready-made template. Let me show you how. To just select the logo style you want. Since I'm looking for something professional, I'll choose this one and click Customize Prompt. Now here you can see we have this template for creating a professional logo. We just need to replace this highlighted text according to the logo we want. So let's say you want a logo for a gym. We will replace this business type with gym. And in the same way, let's replace these other highlighted text too. Alright, now we have the final prompt for our logo. So let's quickly change a few settings here. For the aspect ratio, let's select square. Then set the quality to HD. Here you can select how you want the style to be, whether you want it to be vivid or natural. I'm going to select natural. Once it's done, click Generate Image. And there you have it, a logo generated using an AI tool. This logo is bold and effective, which is perfect for a gym. Now using this logo with its background can make it look less professional. But once you remove the background, you can use it in different places you want. This looks great, right? So to remove the background, just click here, and it'll be removed. Once you're happy with the logo, you can download it as a PNG file. So to download the logo, just click Download, and it'll be downloaded. And that's how you can create a professional logo using an AI tool. Alright, that was just one of many logo styles that we have in GravityWrite. We can also create logos in different styles like abstract, elegant letter, sci-fi, folk art, and more. But let's take a look at another example and create a different kind of logo this time. So to do that, click Example and select a different logo style this time. Let's select this one and click Customize Prompt. This style creates a logo using an alphabet letter. So just like we did before, let's replace this highlighted text according to the logo that you want. You can also change these settings if you like. I will keep it as it is and click Generate Image. And here's our logo. It's really creative, isn't it? Now to remove this background, just click here, and the background will be removed. So just click here and download it. So that is how you can use an AI tool like GravityWrite to make logo creation fast, simple, and accessible to everyone, even if you don't have any designing skills. Now let's say you want to add some text to the logo created by GravityWrite. You can do that easily. Just click the link in the description, and it'll take you to this page. As you can see, we are going to use Canva to add the text to our logo. So let's click Start Designing. Okay, now to add the text to our logo, just click on Logos and you will get a blank page like this. Alright, now let's add our logo. Drag and drop it here and it'll be added. Now to add the text, just go to Text and click Add a Text Box. Now here you can enter the text that you want to add. You can also change its font and the color to suit your logo. Just click here and select the font you like. Then click here. Select the color you want. Now adjust the size of the logo and the position like this. As you can see, it looks much better right now. Once you're happy with how the logo looks, you can download it. Just go here, click Download. Make sure you set it to PNG. Again, click Download and it'll be downloaded. So this is how you can add the text to your logo that you generated. But if you're the type of person who likes to dive deep into designs, choosing every single detail yourself, then the next method is for you. In the second method, we're going to use the Logo Design tool to create our logo. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to Logo Maker. This is the tool that we'll be using to create the logo. So, to create a logo using this tool, we're going to do 2 simple steps. The first step is to select a template. So to select a template, just click here. And as you can see, there are various categories available. We need to select the category that's relevant to our business. So let's say I want to create a logo for a consulting firm. I will select business. Okay, once we have selected the category, you can see that we have got a bunch of unique templates for our logo. So select any one you like. I'm going to select this one, and once you've chosen the template, it'll take you to this page, and this is where we are going to edit our logo template. So let's go to the second step, which is to edit the template. As you can see, here we got more templates. But if you want to change your mind and want to select a new template, you can easily do that from here. I'll just continue with the same template. Now, let's edit it and customize it according to our business needs. To do that, just click on it, and you'll get the option to change the color. So let's select a color. And as you can see, we have changed the color of the logo. Now let's adjust its size and the position the way you like it. Next, let's make some changes in the text. To do that, just select the text and replace it with your own brand's name. Now to change its font, just go here and select the font you like. And as you can see, the font is changed in the logo. Now let's quickly replace this tagline with our brand's tagline and change its position. If you want to enhance your logo further, you have the option to easily add additional icons and graphics. To do that, just go here, click on icons, and you can see a bunch of icons here. Just select the one you like, and it'll be added to the logo. Alright, now the logo looks attractive and professional. So once you're fully satisfied with the logo, you can download it in your preferred format. To do that, just click Download and select the format you want. I will suggest that you download it in the PNG format. And once you click on it, it'll be saved to your computer. So that's how you can use the logo design tool to create your logo for free. So those are the 2 methods for creating a logo. Just choose the one that works best for you. Now that you have a logo ready, it's time to showcase it on your website. If you don't have a website yet, or if you're looking to revamp your existing one, WebSpace Kit is a great platform to consider. With WebSpace Kit, you can easily launch and build your WordPress website without any coding knowledge. They offer free domain, free SSL, a drag-and-drop website builder, with thousands of free themes and plugins to choose from. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more tips like this.